Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi A3 dipped headlight bulb. First, ensure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Gather your essential tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a new H7 dipped beam headlight bulb. You will also want a clean cloth and possibly some gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To access the bulb, begin by turning your front wheels fully to one side, giving you better access to the wheel arch. Next, you will need to remove several screws securing the wheel arch liner. These are usually Torx screws, so have your Torx screwdriver ready. Once the screws are out, gently pull back the wheel arch liner to reveal the back of the headlight assembly. This step provides the necessary space to work. Now that you have access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. It usually has a small tab you need to press. Then, release the metal retaining clip that holds the bulb in place and gently pull out the faulty H7 bulb. When inserting the new H7 bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align it correctly and secure the retaining clip. After the new bulb is in place, reattach the electrical connector firmly. Double-check that the bulb is seated correctly and the retaining clip is secure. Then, carefully push the wheel arch liner back into position and replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight. Test your new headlight to confirm it is working before driving. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.